Hi there, my name is Kristie, and in this video, I will show you the steps I use personally to go from zero to over $30,000 promoting other people's products. But before we dive in, be sure to download the 3 free printables that you can resell as is anywhere online. It's my gift to you for stopping by my channel. The link is below this video. Now, a few years ago, I was a single struggling substitute teacher, really hating life. I downloaded every $7 how to make money online profit, and I could get my hands on, and everything I could find about working online. The stress of the phone ringing at night before I went to bed to send me off to another teaching assignment in a dangerous school district was giving me literally highs, blood pressure, and frequent migraines. And I just knew I couldn't live like that. I was draining my savings. My rent was coming due. But what happened next really did change my life. I had made one $37 sale of an ebook I wrote while I was sleeping to this nice fellow in Singapore somewhere. I was so thrilled. I'll never forget waking up to the notification, you have made a sale. Woohoo! So after I made that first sale, and it was a while before I made another one, I knew, and it gave me the belief system that I could make more sales. If I could make one sale of $37, I could make more sales. And so I went on. I spent a whole summer chasing a blog on, six-pack abs. I made zero. But I knew I had to find something that was proven to sell. And I knew that I had to find an audience and a marketplace to sell it in. So late one night, I took every course and ebook I had downloaded and I spread it all out on the floor. And I just cried. I really did. And I prayed. And I asked God to help me figure out what was that one missing piece. Do you feel that way, that you have downloaded all this stuff and you're just missing one piece? And I knew that I had everything I needed. I just needed to implement it, number one. And number two, I knew I was missing a piece of the puzzle. So this is what I discovered. First, you have to go where people are buying, like a mall, like an online mall. Secondly, you have to have something to sell to the people on the online mall. And the things that sell the best are things that solve a problem. Third, you have to have a way to talk to the people who saw what you are selling, but you need to talk to them over and over, as in daily, at least 7 times. Experts say we have to see something about 7 times on average before we buy it. Well, how do you do that? Well, I found out there are ways online to automate all of this stuff. So first of all, let's talk about the online mall. Where do you find where people are hanging out and shopping online by millions? I mean, by the millions each month. That place is Pinterest. Pinterest is what I discovered Pinterest for marketing, not just Pinterest for recipes. And I still do use Pinterest for recipes. One night I was doing some research for my blog back then, and I found out that there were some bloggers making bank. First of all, I would find these Pinterest pins, and people would say how I made $100 my first month, how I made $250 my second month, how I made $400 my sixth month, and so on and so on and so on. And I began to collect all of these and save them. But then I saw this, how I made $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, $4 million. It was the same person. So I began to follow her blog. And then I found another couple who, and all of this is over time. This took these people years to get to that point of profit, years. Then I found another couple, and they began to sell the same kind of things, digital downloads, instant printable things that you could instantly print down from your computer. You download it and then you print it out on your computer. So I found this other couple and they made their first $1 million after several years of growing this business. And I thought, wow. And then this week, actually last week, I found another person who's made $8 million with her digital downloadable products. And we're talking printables, planners, how-to ebooks, how-to courses, that kind of thing. And I thought, wow, they're all just focusing on like their one best thing. And it's digital downloads, something that you can download from your computer and print out on your printer at home. Or you can just send it, you just log in online to like CVS Pharmacy or print shops in your area and have them printed out in color if you want to. And that's exactly what I did. I tested it out. I actually created, I didn't create, I bought some images, I put them together as a download, and I sent it to the local printer. I just wanted to try this out for myself. And yeah, I had it laminated just to be a little fancy. And this is what it looks like. And I've had this for several years because it's laminated, it lasts. It's awesome. So that's an example. If you're like, what is a digital download anyway? What is a printable? Anything you can print out. Here's another example right here. I had somebody on Fiverr make these for me years ago, and they're calendars that I sold, and then I started giving away as bonus. But it's like a little printable planner where you do have like a little to-do list, right? So anyway, I have this on my desk, and when I don't feel like working online, I can just look at it, and then you could, some people print out inspirational quotes and they frame them and put them by their desk. So what if you don't want to make your own printables? And of course, I can't draw anything but a stick figure. I had to buy these images, right? So what if you're not an artist? You don't have to be. What if you don't want to make your own printables? You don't have to be, because the good news is that $30,000 that I made, and actually it's up to more than that since the end of 2019 in just one marketplace, you don't have to create these all by yourself. But I'm going to talk about that in the next video because this video is getting sort of long. So click and watch part 2. But before you go, be sure you download the 3 free printables. There's at the link below this video that you can download, resell as is, like you made them yourself. Okay, it's a gift for me saying thank you for stopping by. Okay, it'll be in the link below this video. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe and save this for later. And if you have any questions, put them below this video. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye now.